Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to stake your GRT tokens into the Graph network with the P2P indexers. So let's go into the graph.com and then navigate to the Graph Explorer. And by the Graph Explorer website, you will click onto the participants to see all the active indexers in here. And you see the one of the top delegated tokens of the indexers is the P2P, and you will see that in here. So now the first step is to connect your wallet. So let's connect our wallet. And for the simplicity, we have already topped up our GRT tokens and a little bit of gas into this account. So it's going to be very straightforward for you. So let's click on the P2P indexer, and then you will click on to the delegates. And you see the effective reward cut and indexing reward cut, etc. These are parametric values which are changing time to time. And I am going to delegate 100 tokens, but first I need to allow them to be consumed by the smart contract. So first I need to give permission. I set it to max and I approve. Then now I'm able to delegate. So now after this step, I will be able to successfully delegate 100 GRT token into the P2P indexers to start generating revenue. And it's simple as that. So now if I go into my wallet details, I see that in the protocol it's 99.50 because there's a tax which is cut right after you delegate your tokens, and I will be able to start generating revenue over the time. And that's all. Have a good one.